I hope you guys did like that intro. Somebody had asked me to show some night shots of the taillights that I installed on the Silverado. So I went ahead and just made a little montage at the beginning of this video just to show you guys what that looked like. So at the beginning of this video, I'm just going to do a bit of an unboxing for a mod we're going to be doing possibly later this week, but I might put it off a little bit longer. But it is for the headlights on the truck. I've got something different I'm going to use for the projectors instead of the LED. So let's go ahead to that. Okay, so like I said, have the package here that we're going to be unboxing because I'm going to be using something different for the new headlights that we're going to be putting in. So right now I have an H1 LED bulb in the projector. However, I've been doing a lot of reading and I've been watching a lot of videos on the fact that LEDs simply won't work as well as I'm hoping they will in a projector housing. So I went ahead and purchased a set of HIDs. So that's what is in this package here. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and we're going to explain what it is. Alright, so here we have it. This is the HID 6000K H1 bulbs for that headlight style. I know that the OEM headlight style for this truck, I think, is an H11. But for this aftermarket headlight that kind of looks OEM is an H1. So I went with the 6K just to give myself a little bit more room to match the LEDs, because all the LEDs I have on the truck are 6K. So I kind of just want to have the same color throughout the whole truck. Now I was really trying to not go with HIDs because I didn't really like the idea of drilling into my dust cover or having any additional accessories other than just a bulb. However, the LED, I think, is just really not going to cut it in a projector housing from the videos I've been watching and things I've been reading. So I went ahead and went with this kit. Now the only reason I actually started going more towards HID now is also the obvious reason of it working better in a projector housing. But I was able to find this plug and play kit. Now HID technology has been around for a long time. So they've improved and they've kind of mastered the art of what an HID system is. So back in the day, you had to set up all kinds of relays and capacitors and all that type of stuff just to get these to work. Now I was able to get this, I believe it was something like a Terminator system anyways. What the Terminator system does is it works with the CAN bus system in the truck, and what a CAN bus system is what you guys probably have in a lot of your newer vehicles. It's kind of like a warning system. Whenever you have a bulb out or something, it'll trip something and give you a light on your dash saying that your lights aren't working, or it'll even go as far as to turn the lights off, your lights might flicker and stuff like that. It's just a system integrated into your lights that has to do with that whole system. As far as I'm understanding, I'm not too sure, not that I'm not sure, but I'm not too knowledgeable as to what CAN bus is in depth, but it has something to do with that. Anyways, what it does is it messes with your stuff if you put something that doesn't work with it. So they make you this nice little wiring diagram. They even go as far as to show you what size hole saw you're going to need, or hole bit, whatever you want to call it. And this is that grommet that I'm talking about right here. So that little hole, you're pretty much going to drill right here, and then that grommet there is going to be put in this hole to give you a proper seal in your light. So basically everything on this side of the grommet goes behind the dust cover. So your factory plug will plug into your harness, and that'll go all the way into your ballast. That goes into your igniter, and that feeds back through the grommet into your bulb, igniting the HID. So again, the names of these guys is BPS Lighting. I highly recommend these guys. Their customer service is top notch. If you ever have a problem, you can email them. There's a 2-year warranty on these bulbs. I've been in contact with these guys. They're very good with communication. So if you guys want to pick up yourself a set, I will put the link down in the description. Once again, I'm not going to show myself installing these in this video. I'm simply just doing an unboxing because I wanted to show you guys as soon as I got these what I was doing with the lights, in case you guys planned on doing an LED setup in if you guys bought these anyways. I'll also link the video of these headlights in the description. I'm going to be installing these very shortly. I'm just waiting for the weather to get a little bit nicer. We're in the pluses now as far as degrees go outside. I might even put these in this week. I'm not too sure. However, it's going to be very shortly that I'm going to be doing that. I was also very worried about if this was going to affect or still affect the CAN bus system, because I have done or watched videos on people installing kits like this on their Silverados and having to install relays, fuses, capacitors and all that stuff. So I did reach out to them and ask them about that, and they said this is a very high quality kit. It's simply just plug and play. So we're going to see if it actually is. Now this kit is a $200 kit. However, it was half off, so I got it for $100. If you don't believe me, I have the sale right here as to what that was with the taxes and everything. Came up to about $112. So for an HID kit, that's not all that bad. I didn't want to go with the cheaper kits because those tend to not work and the bulbs fail really easily, even along with the ballast. So that's why I went with this kit. I wanted a high quality kit. I did not want to have to go back in there and fool with it later. So I'll try to explain the kit in a nutshell. I know it looks complicated, but it's not that bad. So they give you this little mounting bracket and this little piece of 3M tape, I guess, that goes behind the mounting bracket, and then you mount that somewhere on the inside near the light somewhere, and then that'll sit right above that and clip into place. So I actually really like this design because you can secure this on the inside. It's not going to be rattling around. It's going to be nice and secured to this plate right here. So like I was saying before, this is your igniter. So basically everything on this side of the little rubber grommet here is on the inside of the dust cover. So you got your HID bulb here and your connectors, your positive and your ground. These go over to your igniter, so those will go over to this little box here, and then this just plugs right into here, which also feeds back in to the dust cover back into your light, and that's where again you start your connections here to your H1 harness. So like I said, I know it seems really complicated, but once I do this install, I'm going to go through everything and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it's all about. I just kind of wanted to make two videos, the unboxing to explain what the kit is, and the install video a little later on, so you guys grasp the concept of the HID system just a little bit better. Like I said, I was going to go with the LEDs, and although the LEDs may look bright when you're looking at the truck, but when you're inside the truck, I've actually seen another truck with the projector housings and the LEDs inside, and it didn't look bright at all. My factory reflective housings with the LEDs look a lot brighter. So that's why I went with HIDs, because with HIDs, you need that 360 view of light, and LEDs only provide light on both sides of the bulb, and that's where you lose a lot of that projection because you need light all the way around. So guys, I do apologize. I know you guys really want to see the lights in the truck and actually working. That's probably the reason you clicked on this video. However, like I said, I wanted to make two separate videos explaining what I bought and how it works, and then I'm going to have another video in a little bit from now explaining and exactly going through the install when I put everything in the truck. Now you guys are going to get another video on Wednesday. I'm going to be doing something with that third brake light so that it does match the tail lights that you guys saw at the beginning of this video, because it's still that red factory third brake light. So instead of buying another one, I figure I'm going to be a little creative with it and do something else. So you're going to see that on Wednesday. And very shortly, like I said, you guys are going to see those headlights in the truck. I know I don't want to trigger anybody by saying just showing everything that I'm putting in the lights and not actually showing you. You will see it. I just want to wait for it to get a little bit warm before I start crawling underneath the truck and doing this in the cold. So I want to thank you guys for stopping to the video. Go ahead and share, like, and subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.